Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, welcome to math class. You know children, what is addition? Yes, very good, you know very well. Putting things together is called addition. Shall you give an example, Robert? Yes, in a classroom, 34 girls are there, 50 members boys are there. Then what is the total strength in your classroom? Yes, very good, 84. Together means we can take such type of any examples. Did you know children, everyone, recall this. What is mean of addition? And previous class we learned what is the properties of addition, everything. How to do the addition, yes or no? Yes, the same thing in real life we are using money. If you want to purchase either selling or buying the things, we need money. Shall I ask you one question? Yes, what is the Indian currency? Very good, rupees and pies. You know what is the symbol of rupee? Yes, this is the symbol of rupee. You know Komal, how many pies is for 1 rupee? Yes, 100 pies is equals to 1 rupee. You know very well about the money. Yes or no, isn't it or not? Yes, we know about the money. Let us do now addition of money. You know how to do the addition. From which side do we start the addition? From the right side to we can start the addition. Yes, today we are going to learn about money, how to do in addition. Okay, are you helping to your parents? Yes, we have to help to our parents. What type of help you are doing, Rohan? Oh, you'll go to store. For what you will go? What you will purchase at store? Yes, I am going to purchase snacks. You know, one dairy milk chocolate cost is 5 rupees and one biscuit packet is 10 rupees. Rohan, how much you want to give to the shopkeeper? Yes, 15 rupees you have to give to shopkeeper. Then what you are doing here? Addition. You are buying two things. Dairy milk, chocolate and biscuit packet. Then total, how much you want to give the shopkeeper means total is represent as to do addition. Very good. Shall I take one more example? Yes. Fruits is good for health. Are you eating fruits? Yes, very good. We have to eat fruits every day. Yes, now the season is summer, no? Which fruits is like most here we can eat? Seasonal fruits. That is mangoes and oranges. I went to market. I brought these fruits. 2 mangoes cost is 20 rupees. At the same time I brought oranges. The oranges cost, these 4 oranges is 20 rupees. Then how much total is for 2 fruits to buy? Yes, 40 rupees. I purchased 2 types of fruits. Isn't it children? Very good. Yes. Are you eating fruits? Yes or no? Yes, you take more fruits. Be good, healthy. Okay. Then the same time at home we are playing indoor games. Yes or no children? So because of that I purchased to my brother one small toy. The cost is 100 rupees. To play snake and ladder and the Ludo game I brought one set. The cost of set is 120 rupees. You know how much I want to give for the shopkeeper? Yes, very good. You know very well. Now I want to do addition. The cost of 100 rupees of toy and this set is 120. 100 plus 120 is equals to 220 rupees. Isn't it children? This is the small additions what we learned in the previous classes. Now we are going to learn 4-digit addition. Okay, the cost of this bottle is 700 rupees. It is very useful to us to carry the water school. Yes or no? Yes, I brought one new bottle. The cost is 700 rupees. And now the school reopen time, no? That's why I brought one lunch box also. The cost of this lunch box is 500 rupees. Then for my sister I brought one more lunch box, that is also 500 rupees. These both are different, no? Yes, the cost is same. Did you understand? Did you observe that? Yes. So then what is the total cost of these three things? 700 plus 500 rupees plus 500 rupees. The total cost of these three things is 1700 rupees. Dear children, did you understand when we are using the addition? When we have to purchase some more things, we are using addition. One more example I can say to you. Here we can divide into money into one is rupees, one is pies. 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies, you know very well. Yes or no? That small example. Cost of one dress is 500 rupees, 50 pies. Cost of one more pair is 700 rupees, 30 pies. What is the total of these? Both together I brought two dresses. So first we have to add right side. Pies is 50 pies and 30 pies. That is equals to 80 pies. Then we have to put a dot here, that is represent to divide the rupees and pies point. Then coming to add now rupees. 500 plus 700, that is equals to 1200. The total cost of these two things is 1200 rupees, 80 pies. This is the way of doing addition in money. Yes. Did you understand, children, how to do the addition in money? The same thing like we are going to learn now, subtractions. You know anyone, can you say that what is subtraction? Yes, very good. Taking away is called subtraction. For example, today my friend birthday will be there. So I am going to attend the function. I thought to give one gift for my friend. I went to gift shop. Yes, I brought one nice gift. You want to see that? Yes, I brought one nice gift. Isn't it? Is it nice or not? Yes. The cost of this thing is 200 rupees. But I given to the shopkeeper 500 rupees. Will you get back our amount or not? Will you get? Yes. How much you will get back? Oh, 300 rupees you will get back. Did you understand what you are doing? How to do the subtraction? Yes, very good. Taking away is called subtraction. Or left, coming back, remaining, everything. These under comes the subtraction words, related words. Shall we take one more example to understand easily? Now school reopen time, no? We are going to purchase some useful things to us. Yes or no? Yes, I brought school bags. One school bag cost is 700 rupees. Like same two I brought. So 700 plus 700. How much amount I want to give for the shopkeeper? Yes, very good. 1400 I should give. But I given 2000 rupees note to shopkeeper. Then will you get back? Yes, how much you will get back amount? Yes, very good. 600 rupees will get back. Isn't it, children? Now what I did here? Cost of two bags means I done addition. 700 plus 700. Then how much you will get back means what I am doing? Subtraction. Together. Addition and subtraction of money. Isn't it, children? Yes, the same thing. Did you understand orally how to do the addition and how to do the subtraction of money? Shall I ask you some questions? Yes, very good. Rohan, what is addition? Putting things together is called addition. Very good. You know what is the symbol of rupee, Babita? Yes, this is the symbol of rupee. You know how many pieces is equals to 1 rupee? Yes, very good. 100 pieces is equals to 1 rupee. Did you understand? Yes, very good. Thank you.